Welcome to the WeTranscriber instructional video. In this video, we will introduce how to use WeTranscriber editor to dictate a video. After receiving the task link, copy the link, and then open the web page from a browser. Enter the editing interface as a writer. This interface covers 4 sections: video play, options, timeline, subtitle editing. Section 1, video play. There are 7 buttons. Play, 1 second back, 0.1 seconds back, 1 second forward, 0.1 seconds forward, volume, double speed playback. Section 2, options. There are 3 tools: options, shortcuts, download. Options provides 3 permissions: general, project, subtitle. The writer can only use general to change the server. Current available servers are located in China and the United States. Shortcuts can be used to view shortcuts. Tips: according to personal habits, select shortcut keys for video playback and pause. Download can be used to export 6 subtitle formats. Check the box under the video. You can export video files with embedded subtitles. Section 3, timeline. The timeline can be scaled up or down. The subtitle position can be moved. The subtitle duration can be adjusted. The time interval between subtitles can be adjusted. Click on any whitespace to see Insert. Click on Insert to insert a new subtitle. Select a subtitle, right-click to see 5 functions. Formatting to edit subtitle style. Merge with next means the merging with next subtitle. Insert after and insert before mean the insertion of a new subtitle, after or before current one. Remove means the removal of a subtitle. Section 4, subtitle editing. Click on User to filter and view the contents entered by different writers. Click on Status to filter and view the contents in different states. Click Charmap to view special characters. Click to select characters. Double-click to insert characters. Click Format to edit a subtitle style. Click on Insert to add a new subtitle. Click on Remove to remove a subtitle. Click on Mass Edit to submit the project. Time means the start and end time points of each subtitle. Duration means the duration of subtitles. Speaker means the speaker name for each subtitle. Please note that only if the subtitles are exported in TRS and Word format, the contents corresponding to speaker will be displayed. Text corresponds to subtitles. Click on a subtitle to edit it. After clicking, the subtitle state O changes automatically to edit status W. The right of the subtitles presents the character length, maximum subtitle display speed per minute, maximum subtitle display speed per second. Click on the arrow on the far right of the subtitles to return to the subtitle state. Right-click to see 6 options. Split at cursor means subtitle segmentation. Formatting to edit a subtitle style. Merge with next means the merging with next subtitle. Insert after or insert before mean the insertion of a new subtitle after or before current one. Remove means the removal of a subtitle. Now, I will show you the dictation process. If a subtitle is shown in red during the editing process, it means that the subtitle does not conform to the subtitle rule specified in Option. Need to adjust the text or timeline to comply with the rules. For example, we can see from this red subtitle that the maximum CPS value prompted is 35, while the maximum CPS value of the red subtitle is 40, which exceeds the specified maximum. I choose to merge this subtitle with the previous one. Select the previous subtitle, right-click, click Merge with Next, merge the subtitles. After the dictation is completed, please click on Change W to C, under the Mass Edit button in the top right corner, so as to submit the project.